What lies beyond the universe? Not beyond Earth or the solar system, or even the Milky Way. Beyond everything. It's a question older than science, whispered through philosophy, mythology, and dreams. And today, even with our most powerful telescopes scanning the cosmos, the question remains as breathtaking and unsettling as ever. Imagine drifting through the universe at impossible speed, racing past galaxies, past cosmic filaments, past clusters so vast they resemble frozen lightning. Beyond all this, you might expect to find something, an edge, a wall, a border where the universe finally ends. But instead you reach a different kind of barrier, the limit of what we can see. The observable universe stretches 93 billion light-years across, a sphere containing every photon that has had time to reach us since the Big Bang. But observable does not mean all that exists. It means only what light has managed to deliver over 13.8 billion years. Beyond that lies a realm we cannot see, cannot touch, and cannot probe, a vastness that could dwarf everything we know. Before we go deeper, if you enjoy exploring the universe's greatest mysteries, consider subscribing. It helps us continue creating journeys like this, journeys that push our understanding to the very edge of reality. Because today, we're stepping beyond that edge. The cosmic horizon is not an actual boundary. It's a speed limit. Light is fast, but the expansion of the universe is faster. Galaxies far enough away recede from us faster than light can travel. Their light is stretched, dimmed, swallowed by distance and time. Eventually, their glow disappears entirely, crossing a threshold we call the cosmic horizon. Everything past that horizon is still there, but it is forever hidden from us. This means the universe we see is only a tiny island in an inconceivably larger sea. And according to current cosmological models, that hidden region is not small. It could be trillions of times larger than what our telescopes reveal. Now comes the mind-bending part. If space on large scales appears flat, not curved like a sphere, then the universe may be infinite. Not big, not vast, infinite. A place where the stars never end, where galaxies stretch outward forever, where beyond the cosmic horizon might simply be more universe. But if it is infinite, does it repeat? Is there another Earth, another you? Or does infinity hold far stranger things? To understand what lies beyond, we must go back to the moment the universe was born. At the dawn of time, during the first fraction of a second, our universe expanded faster than the speed of light in a process called inflation. Space ballooned outward so quickly that vast regions became permanently disconnected from each other. This means the universe is not just bigger than we can observe, it is immensely bigger. Inflation stretched space-time like an expanding balloon, creating pockets so far apart that no signal, no photon, no particle can ever travel between them. Our observable universe is just one tiny patch of that inflated space. Think of a night sky where every star you see is just one glowing grain of sand on a cosmic beach. Now imagine the beach stretching on without end. But something else may have happened during inflation. Something remarkable. Inflation may not have stopped everywhere at once. It may still be happening in some regions even now. If so, then our universe might not be a lone explosion, but one bubble in a larger eternal process. New universes could be forming beyond our cosmic horizon at this very moment, expanding, branching, budding like flowers in an infinite cosmic field. This is the doorway to the multiverse. If the universe truly stretches forever, then our observable bubble is nothing more than a tiny patch on an endless cosmic quilt. Imagine traveling in a perfectly straight line, no turns, no obstacles, for billions, then trillions, then quadrillions of years. Space would not fold or loop back behind you. The galaxies would thin, the stars would dim, but the road ahead would continue without end. In an infinite universe, everything that can happen becomes not just possible but inevitable. Somewhere out there might be a galaxy identical to the Milky Way, a solar system identical to ours, a planet identical to Earth. And perhaps, in some distant region so remote we could never meet it, another being might stand on an identical world, asking the same question: what lies beyond our universe? This is not science fiction. It is one of the logical consequences of an infinite cosmos. But that question leads to an unsettling possibility. What if our universe isn't the only one? What if it is simply one bubble in a vast cosmic sea? The thought of other universes, parallel realities, was once confined to speculative fiction. But today, the idea is no longer fringe. Many cosmologists believe the multiverse is not only possible, but almost unavoidable. Picture the Big Bang not as a singular explosion, but as a single spark in a vast cosmic storm. According to leading theories, inflation, the violent expansion that birthed our universe, might not have happened just once. It might have happened countless times in countless regions, spawning countless bubble universes. Each bubble grows enormously. Each bubble contains its own space-time, its own laws of physics, its own beginning and end. Some bubbles might be tiny, others might be vast. Some might host galaxies and life. Others might be sterile and silent. And we might just be residents of one such bubble, watching the cosmic ocean from the inside, unaware of the waves beyond. The question is no longer, is the multiverse real? The question is, how many universes does it contain? Physicists often compare the multiverse to foam, an endless sea of bubbles, each universe expanding, bumping, drifting, and sometimes even colliding. Yes, colliding. If two universes collided in the distant past, the scars of that impact could linger today in the form of odd patterns in the cosmic microwave background, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang. And indeed, some astronomers have found strange circular anomalies that may hint at something extraordinary. Not proof, not certainty, but whispers. In this model, our universe is not an island, it is coastline, and just beyond the fog lies an unseen shore, the boundary of realms beyond our comprehension. The image is hauntingly beautiful, universes like bubbles drifting on the tides of eternity. There is another possibility, one that is stranger still. According to quantum cosmology, our universe may not have needed a previous universe, a spark, or even a cause. Instead, it might be the natural byproduct of quantum fluctuations, a pattern of energy emerging from the fabric of nothingness. If true, then universes might pop into existence endlessly, like ripples forming spontaneously on the surface of a limitless sea, some brief, some long-lived, some vibrant, some empty, some familiar, some utterly alien. This view is unsettling because it means the ultimate question, where did everything come from, may not have a satisfying end. There may be no first cause, no beginning, no boundary. Reality may simply be more like a fractal, patterns within patterns, universes within universes, receding forever. And yet within this infinite fractal, one question stands out. Why does this universe allow life? If the multiverse exists, each universe might obey its own version of physics. Gravity might be weaker in some, stronger in others. Particles might behave differently. Stars might never ignite. Chemistry might never form. Life, as we understand it, might be impossible, or it might emerge in forms we cannot imagine. There could be universes filled with light but no matter, universes with matter but no stars, universes where time stretches strangely or loops back on itself, universes where black holes never form, universes without galaxies, universes that expand so quickly that nothing ever clumps together. And perhaps, just perhaps, realms where the conditions for life are so perfect that civilizations bloom like flowers across the cosmos. In our universe, life required a stunning chain of coincidences to emerge. But in a multiverse, every possibility plays out somewhere, and our existence becomes not a miracle but an inevitability. Theoretical physics offers an even stranger idea. Brain worlds. Imagine our universe as a sheet of paper. Now imagine another sheet beside it, and another, and another. In string theory, these brains can float in a higher dimensional space, stacked like pages in a book. We might be separated from other universes by less than a millimeter, even though we could never see or touch them. If true, then elsewhere isn't far away. It's right next door, but locked behind a dimension we cannot access. Occasionally, these brains might brush against one another, releasing unimaginable energy, a possible explanation for some of the most mysterious cosmic events. And if these universes are near us, almost touching us, could they influence ours? Could gravity leak between them? Could dark matter be the shadow of another universe, overlapping ours like two pages pressed together? The answer might be yes. There is a darker possibility. The universe may be finite after all, but unbounded. Just as Earth is finite but has no edge, the universe could curve back on itself. Travel far enough in one direction, and you might, hypothetically, return to your starting point. Not because space has walls, but because it loops like the surface of a sphere. In such a universe, beyond becomes meaningless. There is no outside, no elsewhere, no escape, a cosmic prison. The idea is elegant, beautiful, and terrifying. It means our universe is not a bubble in a sea, but a closed realm, a self-contained reality with its own eternal geometry. If so, then the multiverse might not exist at all. We might truly be alone, not just as a species, but as a universe. And yet, there is one final possibility, perhaps the strangest of all. Maybe the question, what is beyond the universe, is flawed. Maybe beyond has no meaning without space-time. Maybe asking what lies outside the universe is like asking what lies north of the North Pole. Our universe might be the totality of physical reality. Boundaries exist only in our perception. The cosmic horizon is not a wall. It is simply the limit of what light has had time to reach us since the beginning. Beyond it lies more universe, unseen, untraveled, untouched, but still part of the same expanding whole. The edge is not a barrier, it is a beginning. So what lies beyond our universe? Another universe, another infinity, another realm with different stars and different laws, or nothing at all, not emptiness, but the absence of any possible meaning? We do not know. We may never know, but that is what makes this question so powerful. Standing on our pale blue world, we look into the night sky, not just to see stars, but to confront the limits of our understanding. Every observation, every telescope, every new discovery is an attempt to reach beyond the horizon of ignorance. Perhaps the universe is infinite, perhaps it is one of many, perhaps it is the only one. But whatever the answer, the mystery itself defines us. We ask these questions not because they promise easy answers, but because they reveal the extraordinary depth of human curiosity. We are creatures who look outward, who wonder, who dream. And the universe, whatever lies beyond it, remains the greatest mystery of all.